In front of me is VIVO V40 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK. Select Timeout and make sure Infinite is on. Following that, go into Tab menu and click on this icon of a pen at the top right corner to edit it. Now you need to add your Caffeine shortcut to your currently used ones by holding it, dragging it, and placing it wherever you want to. Lastly, go back and tap on your new shortcut to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!